How to add table in Google Form. Google Form does not have a direct insert table option, but you can create a table-like structure in there. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Google Form on your web browser. Then simply tap on the blank workspace or any workspace you have already done. Now here, for that we have to choose the plus icon from the floating toolbar and add a new question tab will appear. Now click on multiple choice option available there. From the drop down menu, all you have to do is tap on the multiple choice grid option. Beside it also has a tick box grid question type, that is a checkbox question in table format. Now start filling them out. You can utilize rows by adding different questions and columns with answer choices. Once you have added the table questions, preview it and you will see that question style format is similar to tables. If you have chosen a multiple choice grid, then participants can only select one answer per row. But for the tick box grid, participants can choose multiple answers in a single row. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.